Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Industrial Dispute Act 1947, which is one of the most important act of labor laws. Now, what is labor laws? Labor laws or labor legislation is the body of laws, administrative rulings, precedent which address the relationship between and among the employers, employee, and labor organization, often dealing with the issues of public laws. Indian labor laws refers to laws regulating labor in India. Traditionally, Indian government at federal and the state level have sought to ensure a high degree of protection for workers, but in practice, legislative rights only covers a minority of workers. India is a federal form of government, and because labor is a subject of a concurrent list of the Indian Constitution, labor matters are in the jurisdiction of both central and the state government. Both central and the state government have enacted laws on labor relation and employment issues. Now, what is the definition of industry? Because to understand the definition, the meaning of Industrial Dispute Act, we have to study Section 2J of Industrial Dispute Act, which define industry means any business, trade, undertaking, manufacture, or calling of employers and includes any calling, service, employment, handicraft, or industrial occupation or a vocation of a workman. But there is one more definition, which is the amended definition of industry, which has been amended in the year 1982, but same has not been brought into force by the notification dated 21st August 1984. What is the definition? The amended definition of industry is it means any systematic activity. Second, which carried on by cooperation between an employer and his workmen. Third, the production, supply, or distribution of goods or services with a view to satisfy human wants or wishes, not being wants or wishes are merely spiritual or religious in nature. But what is not an industry according to this definition? For example, whether hospital is an industry or not. According to a Bangalore water supply case, if any agency or any occupation which fulfill the triple test is an industry. Now, what is a triple test? Basically, triple test means there should be a systematic activity, there should be a distribution of goods and services, and cooperation between employer and employee. Now, what does not include in the definition of industry? As we have discussed, that any occupation or any agriculture operation or any hospital has to follow the triple test or fulfill the triple test, then only that will consider as a industry. Now, what is not an industry? Any agriculture operation, hospitals or dispensaries or educational, scientific or research or training institution or any institution owned or managed by organization wholly or substantially engaged in any charitable, social, or philanthropic services. It means any agencies or establishment which is owned or governed by the government is not an industry, and if they are not fulfill a triple test. Next, even a khadi or village industries or any khadi or any establishment which is having a sovereign function of the government dealing with defense, research, atomic energy and space, any domestic services or any activity being a profession practiced by an individual or body of individual is not an industry. Clear? Now, what is basically the question is whether dispensary or any hospital is an industrial or not. According to this Industrial Dispute Act, a doctor with an assistant and a servant may run a profession but may not be said to run an industry, because if you see the image of an industry in of a plurality of workmen, not of an isolated or single person or attend